Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities for interns, for freshers as well as for experience, and we will share the remote jobs also with you. So the very first job opportunity is for the interns at this company, and they are hiring for QA tester intern. So freshers can apply. They are hiring for digital marketing intern. They are hiring for UI UX designer interns. The location is Indore, and the duration is for the internship would be from 3 to 6 months. So you can apply at this particular email address. You can also contact on this particular number. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, manual as well as automation testing. The location is Pune, Hyderabad, and the experience required is 4+ years. So they are looking for someone who has got hands-on experience with Selenium and QTP, strong in STLC, test case creation, test plans, and regression testing, proficient in scripting with Python, Java, JavaScript, skilled in root cause analysis and quality metrics. And you can apply at this particular email address. Then there is a remote job opportunity. So this is for the web testers manual, and the budget is 3 to 4 LPA. Experience is 1.5+ years of experience. And if you are interested, you can share your CV at this email address. Then there is a vacancy for automation lead, and the location is Navi Mumbai. So it is 6 days work from office. Alternate Saturdays would be off. Mandatory to sign 1 year of bond, and skills required is Selenium with Java, Cucumber, BDD, TestNG, creating automation framework from scratch, Java coding. So you can share your resume to this particular email address. Then there is a hiring for QA engineers, and the position is for QA engineer. Experience is 2 to 5 years. Location is Science City Road, Ahmedabad. So you can apply to this particular email address. LTI Mindtree is also hiring across Pan India. So they are hiring for automation testers with experience from 5 to 8 years. And the skill set that they are looking is Java, Selenium API, REST Assured, C Sharp, Selenium, Python, Selenium automation. So if you are interested, you can message on WhatsApp to this particular number. And notice period is immediate to 15 days. Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer, 2 to 3 years of experience. And this is again with respect to skill set in automation testing, API testing, and hands-on experience with Postman, Git, CI/CD. It's an on-site role full time, and you can WhatsApp on this number, or you can also share your CV at this particular number. Then there's a requirement for QA, and it's work from office role. Work schedule would be Monday to Friday, 5 days of working. Experience is 3+ years in QA, and you can send your resume to this email address. Okay, so yeah. So if you are looking for the manual tester job opportunity, so you can apply for this particular location. The location is Mohali. It's an on-site role, and 2 to 4 years of experience in manual testing is required. You can apply to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for ETL testing, and the role is of ETL tester. Location is Pune, Hinjewadi. The experience required is 5 to 8 years, or 5+ years of experience is mandatory. So that's the must thing that you should have. And if you're interested, or you know someone who can be uh, who is looking for the job and who can apply here, so you can ask them to share their CV at this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for again software automation testing verification engineer role. Location is Pune, and the requirement is for 6+ years of experience. So you can share your resume at this email address. They are looking for someone who is having 6+ years of experience in medical software testing and automation, and develop test cases, protocols, and automated scripts using Python. Strong Python, OOPS, GUI automation, and Linux experience. So these are the skills that they are looking for. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.